In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google and great Notion support services effectively, guiding you through a process of setting up and using Notion for your projects. Let's dive right in by searching Notion in your browser. Simply open your preferred web browser, go to the search bar, type Notion, and hit Enter. You'll be presented with a list of results, but for efficiency, we're interested in the official Notion website. Click on the link to open it. Once you're on the Notion homepage, the next step is to log in. If you already have a Notion account, go ahead and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you're new to Notion, you may have to sign up. But for today, I'll assume you're already a user. Now, once you've logged in, look for the option that says Add New. This is your gateway to starting a new project or database. Click on Add New to begin. From there, you'll see an option to Add New Database. This is where your projects and tasks will be organized. So go ahead and click on it to set up a new space. With your new database in place, it's time to give it a distinctive and meaningful name. Click on the area where it says Name and enter a title that best describes what you'll be tracking or managing in this database. This helps keep things organized and easily identifiable. After naming your database, the next step is to click on Add Property. Think of properties as the attributes or columns for your database. Click on Number to add a numerical property. This is particularly useful for tracking progress or any other quantity-based parameter. Once you add a number property, click on Number again. This double confirmation ensures that the property type is set correctly. Once confirmed, proceed to Edit Property. This option allows you to refine what you've just set up. Click on Bar within the Edit menu. This step is essential for visualizing data as a progress bar, providing a graphical representation of numbers, which can be quite useful in tracking project milestones. Change the default value from 100 to 10. This rescales the progress bar, making it more relevant to your specific needs, particularly if you're dealing with smaller increments. Now, go ahead and add your tasks within the database framework you've just created. You can also enter your progress numerically to keep an eye on how much you've done. Type in any highlight or special note related to the task. This could be a reminder or a significant milestone achieved along the way. Finally, feel free to explore the settings and customization options at your own pace. Notion offers a wide variety of functions that can be tailored to fit your workflow. So take your time, experiment with different features, and see what works best for you. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of Notion. Happy organizing!